Good to see you. I miss you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I just want to take a moment here to go over this new schedule that we're going to be starting tomorrow for virtual learning, which may go until May 15th or longer. Okay, so this is going to be our schedule moving forward. We're going to have A days on Mondays and Wednesdays. We're going to have B days on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then Fridays here will be kind of up to each teacher. So be on the lookout for messages or communications from them that would tell you what their expectations are going to be for Fridays. Um, the whole purpose of this schedule is just to give you some structured routine to your day and to dedicate just some of your time to learning. It's not going to be a full school day. You can see here you should expect about 2 hours of work a week per class. Okay, so that means 2 hours for math and ELA, 2 hours for science and social studies, 2 hours for each of your electives. It's about 12 hours of work a week. Okay, you've got a lot of time stuck at home. So if you can just set aside some time each day to stay on top of your education, that's what this schedule wants to help you do. Okay, so you can see we've got 45-minute classes in the morning from 8:30 until 11:30. So your morning each day should be set aside for learning. We want you to use this link right here, bit.ly/Carmel attendance, so that you can sign in for attendance every morning. If you are not up and out of bed and like ready to work at 8:30, which is understandable some mornings, that's fine. If you don't start until 9:15, just still go ahead and sign in when you get started on your day. Okay. When you're done, again, if it's a little before 11:30 or if it's 12:30 or 1:30, whenever you're done for your day, use this link to sign out. Okay. So these are kind of recommended times, and these are times that I will be on my computer and your teachers will be on their other computers, and you can have a class session with us and we'll be there. We might be posting recorded videos like this one, or there might be some live sessions. It just depends on your teacher. But these are the times that we'll be at our computers ready to help you guys out. Okay. Then we have a lunch break in the middle of the day. And in the afternoon, if you've got a lab class, you're still going to go to that lab class. And then the teachers have office hours. And we've got a schedule here for the office hours as well. So I'm an ELA teacher. That means I'll have office hours from 12:30 to 1:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. Okay, math teachers, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And so you can see here, each of the subject areas has different office hours on different days and different times. So that's some time set aside where we can just be giving students extra help, conferencing with students if they want to talk through a problem. We could set up a conference on Canvas or do a Zoom meeting or a Google Meetup meeting or all sorts of ways we could chat over Remind, over the phone, whatever it is you need or whatever it is your preference is, we could try to make that happen during that time. Okay. If you need to meet or want to have a conversation outside of those times, just let me know in advance and I can schedule it because I will have meetings during other times and I'm stuck at home too. So some tips to kind of make this schedule go smoothly for you. Set your cell phone alarm for each of the bells throughout the day, just Monday through Thursday, and that will kind of help keep you on time and on schedule with this virtual class, since there obviously will not be bells just ringing in your house like we have at school. Start your day and like get ready for your day. That means don't just like set your alarm for 8:25 and then roll over, grab your Chromebook and log in from your bed in your pajamas. Like actually get up, eat a meal, brush your teeth, change out of your pajamas, go sit down at the dining room table or at a desk or somewhere where you can actually start your day and learn. Okay. Make sure you're checking for your assignments from all of your classes. I'm going to continue posting everything for my class on Canvas, and I'll send out reminds as well, while other teachers may be using Google Classroom or other platforms. So just make sure you know where to look for your assignments and that you're checking for them Monday through Thursday and that you're in communication with your teachers. Okay. Communication, you can see down here, is going to be a huge issue. We're not all in class together. I can't see you struggling in the moment as well as I could were I there and we're all in the class. So I'm still going to be on the lookout for students who are struggling and trying to support them. But if you notice you're struggling before I do, I need you to advocate and tell me. Okay. Tell your teachers, communicate with them if you're struggling, so that we can jump on it as soon as possible. Okay. Counselors, administrators are still available. So if you need anything from them or you want to have a conversation with them about anything, email them is probably the best way to get a hold of your counselors and administrators. If you need email addresses, let me know and I can facilitate that conversation. Last thing is here, this schedule, which I'll put a link to under this video. It is going to be continuously updated. So as new information comes, or maybe we revise or tweak the schedule a little bit, or there's just school-wide announcements, we're going to try to put as much of that stuff as possible down here on this continuous update section. So be checking this area for any updates about what's going on at Carmel. Okay. If you guys have any questions about the schedule, email me, message me on Remind, message me on Canvas. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. We're going to try to start this tomorrow, Monday. So I hope to see you then. All right. Hope you're all doing well.